Hey guys, I'm Ty Brown. I'm here at my HO layout I'm working on. I've got a sawmill I'm putting in place, and I was looking up online how to find sounds to put in the sawmill. Anyway, I ran across somebody talking about using MP3 players. You can get really cheap MP3 players for under 20 bucks at different stores. Anyway, I have one. I found a place. I'll show you online where the site that had sounds of sawmills, a bunch of different type sounds. But anyway, I thought it was pretty neat. Let's see if I can get it to start. Anyway, there's that. I have my sawmill here. The sawmill kind of actually makes it a little bit deeper. But I got the sound I bought for this one was 126 seconds long. You can set it to repeat over and over again. It was $6 and some odd cents for the audio file for it. The website has a bunch of different files, and you set the volume to whatever, and you can have it repeat over and over again. But what I eventually do is probably put the MP3 player down here on the face and just have it set up where the speaker's inside running over and over again. I thought I'd show you this real quick. I thought it was a pretty neat little thing. I got a long ways to go till I get the whole sawmill in there. But with the speaker inside, I think it'll sound pretty realistic with it. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Hope you have a good day.